Hi friends, today we are going to see one very important word in German, and that is called as sein. S-E-I-N, sein. So I'll share one screen with you, and through that we will discuss about this word sein, right? Okay. Now this is very important word in German. S-E-I-N. And it means to be. Sein is to be. In English, we say I am, you are, he, she, it is. Just like that, in German, we say ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist. Now, as I told you, the verb sein means to be, and it is the most important word you will ever learn in German. It's a verb. That word sein is a verb. So what is sein? Sein is to be. It's an irregular verb, which means it does not follow normal pattern. On my channel, there is a separate video on this regular as well as irregular verbs. So you can go and watch. I'll give the link in the description box. Now, ich bin, du, this is informal you, du bist, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr, that is plural you, seid, S-E-I-D, seid, and sie sind, they are. Wir sind and sie sind, we are, they are. For example, if we use this sein in a sentence, so how its form will change, that we are going to see. For example, ich bin Maria, meaning I am Maria. Du bist meine Freundin. You are my friend. If the friend is female, then it will be Freundin. The friend is male, it will be just Freund. Ist Arzt, meaning he is a doctor. Wir sind Freunde. We are friends. Sie sind glücklich, meaning they are happy. Glücklich is happy. Now I will give you just few seconds. You just try to fill in the blanks. Dash 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 bin, du dash dash, dash 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 asked, wir dash dash, and ihr dash dash. You just think of it, then I will give you the solution. Okay. If you're done, I'll just give you the solution. It is ich bin, du bist, ist Arzt, meaning he is a doctor. Wir sind, we are, ihr seid. Here is plural. So this is all about word sein. Okay, so this is very important word in German, and it is a verb also. So I hope this is clear with you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.